Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you the fast way how to can how you can generate and import high quality height maps in the Unreal Engine 5.7. Okay, let's go. Okay, first thing first, open the editor, create new project, select third person, hit create the project. After that, go to file, select new level, choose basic level, delete this. Now let's go here, save all, rename the level LV01. After that, let's go right here, selection mode, choose landscape mode. Okay, import from file. Now we want to generate landscape. What you need to do this is to go to this website. You can get the link in the description. You can choose any height map from the world. Tap the latitude and longitude right here, and the output width and the output height. Okay, for the output height and width, you can get it from here. Okay, for me, it's on 505. If you want, you can change the resolution. For me, I won't set it for the moment like this. Okay. After that, you can generate a map, or I'll be different this. For map preview type, you can choose any map from those. For example, let's choose this one. And let's choose this canyon. I think it's fine. Okay, now let's generate a height map. I think it's done. Okay, this is my height map. Let's add it to the engine. Import from file, height map file. This is the fastest way. This is fast way to do this. Okay, let's go here and let's make the preview right here. Let's shoot this. Change the speed of the camera. At first look, it looks like this, and let's see. Okay, it's fine, but there is a problem with that. Let's fix the speed with the height of the z-axis. Let's return here to the landscape. Sorry, select this, delete this landscape by pressing delete. Go here, and now let's choose this one, 50, for example, and let's see. Not this 50, hit import. Let's go here to the land scheme. And with this program is component. Let's delete this one, 50. Okay, 100, 100. Okay, fine. The scaling is fine. Okay, you must change the z-axis only. Okay, let's see. What is the difference between us? Okay, I think it's fine. Okay, thank you guys for watching this all for this tutorial. Subscribe for the channel for more useful tutorial like this. And you can, okay, fine.